We next finally have Hemu Suvarna, who is here representing BNI.
Thank you, Sam.
sit also.
Let me congratulate
Thank
first
you.
of all. I bring a lot of good wishes from BNI India, especially from Neeraj and Twinkle. They just mentioned that please pass it on to
Thank you.
Sam for the wonderful the Indian networker. We wish all the very best.
Thank you.
Yep. Those who are not aware of BNI, BNI is an organization which promotes referral, business through referral. It's word of mouth marketing, and as you see, there are certain figures what you mentioned. 98% of the business comes through referral. I mean, if I may ask you a question, the amount of business you generate through referrals. I mean, if you ask in general, it is more than 50% of your business comes through referral, right? I mean, depending on the profession you are in, it could be even 100%. So when we depend so much about referral, we talk about referrals. We talk about whether you have a system to generate this kind of referral day in and day out. So BNI is a structured way of getting more referrals for your own businesses. And if you want to see exactly how it works, I can really invite you to one of our BNI meetings, because in India, right now we have just passed a milestone of crossing 102 chapters right now.
102 ho gaya? I did 100.
Yeah, now it is picking up pace. Yeah, last week when we talked about 100 and now we talk about 102, about a month we talked about 85. So in month's time we have crossed already 100 chapters. So this month, in fact, we launched 2 chapters, one in Bandra and one in Lokhandwala. Juhu.
And that was the 100th chapter?
That was the 100th chapter.
And that man is in this room who launched the chapter.
The person who's responsible to launch that chapter, he's in this room.
He has long
Vikram,
grey hair.
if you can just he's the person behind that chapter. We have quite a few members from BNI here, holding up higher, they're training people and things like that. They are already present here. It is more about promoting your own business through word of mouth marketing. So those who are interested to know how it can help you, taking your business to the next level, of course, we can always invite you. We can invite you one of our chapter meetings. The gentleman here, Pankaj, just mentioned about Rotary, the structured meeting and fixed day meeting and things like that. BNI also believes in it. We have weekly meetings happening, and attendance is very crucial for the meetings.
Yeah, if you don't attend 3 times, the 4th time you're thrown out. Bye.
Yeah, it is as strict as that. But having said that, Sam, we also have a system called substitution. So it's not actually a issue. Like, you can make it, it's very easy to substitute when you are traveling and things like that. So.
And the best thing about BNI is I know 2 people who used to not speak much. After joining BNI now, we have to tell them they've become so good in presenting themselves, so good at speaking. It brings out a lot of personality change. I'll introduce you to one of them later over here. He's sitting in this room.
Yeah, it is. I mean, it's personality development as well. Yes, rightly said.
And one of the great things about BNI is they have a thing called as BNI Connect. There are about 150,000 members across the world. So once you become a BNI member, you get into that portal and you can connect to any one of these 150,000 members anywhere in the world.
Yeah, we have presence in 54 countries right now, and the member strength is 1.54 lakhs of members worldwide. Specifically, if I have to speak about some figures in India, last year alone, in 2012, we generated business worth of 461.2 crores of business in 1 year. And if you want to be, taking part in the next 10 years, we are looking at 20,000 crores of business. I mean, this is the fact which is really proving and we are really, every year we are almost doubling the figures. That's what figures we are looking at right now.
Thank you, Hemu, so much. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.